Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder. If you're a coffee lover, you know there are really only a couple of secrets to making great coffee: good water and fresh beans. But of course there's a third secret, and that's to keep the beans from losing their flavor by grinding them right when you need them. Listen to it. The Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind Coffee Grinder is quieter than any of the leading competitors. It has stainless steel blades, and you can use it to grind spices as well as coffee. There is a removable grinding chamber, so cleaning up is a snap. There's also easy cord storage, so it won't take up a lot of space when you're not using it. Now that's good thinking.
Hi, here is Sharder R&D Room. Today we are going to be sharing the troubleshooting of the Burr Coffee Grinder. When the button is pressed, the product doesn't work and the blue indicator is flashing. This phenomenon occurs because the bean hopper and grinding chamber are not installed in place at the same time. Align the marking scale on the bean hopper with the unlock and lower it vertically, then rotate it counterclockwise to the lock. And then reinstall the grinding chamber until it clicks into place. The grinding process suddenly stops working and it sounds buzzing. This phenomenon occurs because coffee bean debris is stuck in the grinder. First of all, turn clockwise to remove the bean hopper and the upper burr. Furthermore, clean up the burr grinding disc. After cleaning, reinstall the bean hopper and the upper burr and you're ready to go. Now enjoy your coffee time.
How to use the OXO Brew Conical Burr Coffee Grinder. Slowly rotate hopper to select grind size, from 1 for fine to 15 for coarse. Slide grounds container onto base until it clicks into place. Turn dial to desired time and press the OXO button to grind. The dial stays at your set time for quick, one-touch start. To stop grinding, press the OXO button at any time.